How do you prove intent, mens rea, for war crimes? Understanding how to prove intent, or mens rea, for war crimes is essential in the realm of international law. This concept revolves around the mental state of the accused when committing acts that violate the laws of armed conflict. Mens rea translates to guilty mind and is a key factor in determining criminal responsibility under international humanitarian law, including the Geneva Conventions. To establish mens rea, you need to show that the person acted with intent or knowledge. Sometimes, recklessness or gross negligence can also meet the required standard. In the context of war crimes, direct intent means the perpetrator aimed to commit the crime. Indirect intent occurs when the individual foresees the crime as a likely outcome and accepts that risk. A critical aspect of proving intent is demonstrating that the accused knew their actions were unlawful or that they targeted protected individuals, such as civilians or medical personnel. The Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court clearly defines mens rea as intent and knowledge. This means that for someone to be held criminally responsible, the acts must be committed with these mental elements. When it comes to methods of proof, direct evidence plays a significant role. This could include witness testimonies, confessions, or intercepted communications that reveal orders or plans. Circumstantial evidence is equally important. This includes the nature of the acts, patterns of behavior, and the context of the conflict. For military commanders, proving mens rea can involve showing they knew or should have known about crimes committed by their subordinates. If they failed to prevent or punish these actions, it reflects a form of recklessness. The standard of indirect intent, or dolus eventualis, is applied in some legal settings. This means that if someone was aware of a substantial likelihood of crimes occurring and proceeded anyway, that can fulfill the mens rea requirement. Investigators and prosecutors gather evidence from various sources, including battlefields, documents, and witness accounts. They aim to reconstruct the mental state of suspects. Proving intent often focuses on whether the accused deliberately targeted civilians or recklessly disregarded their protected status. The burden of proof lies with the prosecution. They must establish mens rea beyond a reasonable doubt. This ensures that only those who truly intended or knowingly committed war crimes are held accountable. Understanding these elements is vital for enforcing international humanitarian law and ensuring justice for victims of war crimes.